All right, welcome back, guys. I apologize for the interruption on the second video that we were starting to put the this app link into the downloader. But anyway, this is the third and final video. We're almost there, guys. So just be patient. We're gonna let me just go over this with you one more time. We already in the downloader. Okay, so you see where it says home? That's where you want to be. All right, I'm gonna navigate there, just let you see, and I'm gonna press home. Okay, we're home. Now, inside the search, all right, take a look and see what I have typed in there. That's what you guys gotta type in there. Okay, I'm gonna put it in there close for you so you can see it, and then give you a minute to get this right. Type it in just like he said. Okay, so once you got it all typed in, you just basically just press go right here. And once you press go, it's going to start downloading this app. And once it's download the app, here, let me show you. You press go and see it downloading right there. And then you're going to have a little staging. But this is eventually, this is what you want to get to, where it says cancel or install. You want to go ahead and install it at the bottom right hand corner. Now, if you don't see that, you have to go back to developer options. It's going to give you a message that you need to go to developer options and to allow this new app. You got to turn it on. Once you turn the app on, then you can go back and install just like what we did, and then go ahead and press install. So guys, don't worry. Guys and girls, don't worry. Gals, however you want to call it. Don't worry. You're not going to fill up the memory. It's got plenty of memory in the new Fire Sticks. And this right here is only maybe 200 or 300 megabits of data. So I'm going to pause this now and let you guys catch up with this and install it. Then we'll see you when you finish. All right, so now I hope you guys got it downloaded and everything. Once you've downloaded it, this is what you're going to see. I'm sorry. Once you finish downloading it, you have a message that pops up and say open. You press open, and then you'll see this. Okay? So then when you were right here at the home page of the app link, you go and navigate to add store. Okay? Now I already have my store number in here, but I'm going to give it to you guys. And that number is simply, let me give it to you right here. 7 5 7 3 7 6. And then you scroll down here to next. Okay, and submit. Now when I submit this, it's going to tell me that code already exists in your library, but you guys, it's going to have a new code, which is this. So I'm gonna go ahead and cancel this one out. And now I'm gonna navigate to save stores. Once I go here, I'll select the store which I just put in, which is this right here. I hit that, and now from there I want to open it. I simply just open it just like that. And now we have different apps that we can install. I recommend you go all the way to the bottom, install the bottom app, which is going to give you a lot of nice things for you. And there's some more apps you can install. And here, let me go back. But yes, go ahead and install the bottom app. If you have any questions or problems, you know how to contact me. And if you want to install other apps, you can do that as well. Now, Fire Stick itself, if I go to the home page, you have some apps like Prime Video, Tubi, Netflix. You can download it from Fire Stick. You don't have to go into the app link. But for the most part, you should, when you go to your home screen, you see this right here. This is what you have, or shall I say I have right now. And if I was to go all the way over to right here, when I select that, it's going to bring up all my apps and channels. Okay. So I already have all my apps are where I want it to be, but for the general purpose, if you say, for instance, have an app down here that you want to bring up to your home page, you simply, and I'm going to give you an example here, say like YouTube, for instance. When I go to YouTube, I highlight YouTube, I press this 3 dashes right here to the right, and then I see a message pop up. It says move to front. I hit move to front. Now, there it is. Once I go back, YouTube goes to the home page. So you can see it very easily and be able to go right to it without searching for it. That's the main thing. It's a convenience feature. So you don't have to search for it. It's right there when you go to your home page. But if you were to navigate down, of course you're going to be able to see it. But for the most part, when you go to your home page, you just want to, you want to watch what you want to watch and go for it without a lot of confusion. Okay, so now this is pretty much it. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you guys have a nice day. And if you have any questions, you know how to email me or call, and we can help you from there. Thank you.